Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. Starting this one out on Snapchat, and today we're going to take a look at how to use the 16-person video group chat. Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, hit that like button. I would really appreciate it, and it's going to help new people discover the channel. And before we do this, the first thing you would need is a group. So if you don't have a group, you could create a group or try and get someone to invite you to their group. But what you want to do is swipe over to the chat screen, and then you could tap the icon in the top right corner and create a group. I have other videos that show exactly how to do that, so I'll link those below. Once you have a group, you just want to go into that group. So I have one called Tap Lab Feature Test Group. And we have quite a few people in here. To do the video chat with up to 16 people, all you want to do is hit this video icon towards the right side, right above the keyboard. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Is someone joining? Hey, what's up? I'm making a video. I can't hear you because my phone's plugged in. I don't know if you can hear me either. Let me do a redo in a second. Once we're on the chat screen, you can hit the green button to join the video chat. From that point, you can tap your face on the bottom to get more options like selecting a face filter or a lens. And then you can hit the down arrow to collapse that. You can tap send a chat and that will open up the keyboard, and then you can type out a message and then you hit send in the bottom right and that will overlay a chat message on top of the video. You can also tap the down arrow in the top right corner to collapse the video chat. To go back, simply tap someone else's face to expand the video chat. Some more options that you can get by tapping your face on the bottom are mute, and you can also flip the camera, which is right above the mute button. The final thing you need to know is just tap the red video icon on the bottom of the screen to end the video chat. And there you have it, how to use the 16-person group video chat. We were only able to get a few people in there at once, but like you saw, you can tap the video icon and then it will start and people can automatically join. And you can sort of expand full screen or collapse it. And you can also send text and photo chats within the video chat, so that's pretty interesting. And you also have the option to mute yourself and add lenses while in the video chat. I'd be interested to see how this works with more people. It was already a little laggy with just a few people, so with 16 people in there, it could be extremely laggy. Some of the navigation is a little strange, a little clunky, but I'm sure Snapchat is working on those things to smooth it out and make it an easier experience for everyone. But there you have it, a first look at how to use a 16-person group chat. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on mobile apps, tech, social media, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.